How to turn off the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's dive right into it. There are two main ways for you to power off the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The first one is by using the physical buttons on the iPhone. And the second one is through software. Let's have a look. If you want to use the physical buttons to turn off your iPhone, then here's how you do it. First of all, you press volume up, then you press volume down, and then on the other side, you press and hold the side button. You have to do this fairly quickly. Let me demonstrate. Volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button. And you'll then get to this screen here. Now, all that is left for you to do now is to use this slider here to power the iPhone off. I'm not going to do that right now because I also want to show you yet another way to power off your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you want to turn off your iPhone using software, then here's how you do it. First of all, tap on the Settings app. Then go to General. And at the very bottom, you will find Shutdown. Tap on it. You will then get to the very same screen as before. Now just slide to power off your iPhone. And this is how you power off your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.